wind advisory. Got 30-mile-an-hour winds, so it's probably blowing in the mic. So I apologize about that. Nothing I can do. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and a 70% chance of rain tomorrow and a 30-degree temperature drop. How's that for a weather forecast? Not really too much going on in the sky. I don't even have my camera set up because there just really isn't much to record today. There's an interesting kind of cloud, I guess. Let me see if I can get it here. It's an amorphous, smooth cloud. No real defining features to it. Probably mostly aerosols, as almost all clouds are these days. Let's go see if I can see the other side of that cloud. So it looks like there's some EMF going through that one cloud right towards the end there. There was one interesting looking, maybe plasma cloud blob. 1 second, getting over there. It's right over here. But as usual, they're overly bright, got the reflective edges. I will make a video around sunset.